Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Twin Talk English Podcast. I'm Sophia, and I'm so excited you're here today. Today, we're going to make everyday English easy for you. You don't need to memorize long lists of words or complicated grammar. Instead, we'll focus on simple sentences, real-life conversations, and phrases that you can actually use every day. By the end of this episode, you'll feel more confident speaking English in your home, at work, and with friends. You'll also hear me repeat slowly so you can shadow my voice and practice naturally. Let's get started. Let's start with something simple: how to describe your day. Imagine someone asks you, "How was your day?" Instead of saying just one word like good, you can expand a little. My day was great. I woke up early, had breakfast, and went for a short walk. It was busy, but I managed to finish my work and cook dinner. See? You're already using full sentences and sharing your story naturally. When you describe your day, think about morning, afternoon, and evening. You can say things like, "In the morning, I drink coffee and read the news. In the afternoon, I work on my project and answer emails. In the evening, I relax, watch TV, and spend time with my family." This is how real English works, step by step, sentence by sentence. Now let's talk about some phrases that you can use every day. When you meet someone, instead of just saying, "Hi," you can add, "Hi, how are you today?" "Hello, did you have a good day?" When you ask for help, you don't need to make long sentences. Use phrases like, "Could you help me with this?" "I'm not sure how to do this. Can you show me?" When you invite someone, you can say, "Do you want to join me for coffee?" "Would you like to go for a walk?" And when you thank someone, don't just say, "Thanks." Try, "Thank you so much. I really appreciate it." "Thanks for your help. That was very kind." These small phrases make your English sound natural and friendly. The best way to learn everyday English is through conversation. Imagine you're at a cafe. You can start with, "Hi, can I have a coffee, please?" "What's today's special?" "I'd like to sit by the window." Then if someone asks, "How's your day going?" you can answer, "It's going well, thank you. How about yours?" "Pretty busy, but I'm happy to be here." You can also share small stories about your day. "This morning I saw a beautiful sunrise. I met an old friend today and we had a great chat." By practicing small conversations every day, you start thinking in English naturally. You don't need to translate in your head anymore. Now let's do a shadowing exercise. Repeat after me slowly. "Hello, my name is Sophia. I am happy to be here. Today is a sunny day and I want to enjoy it. I have breakfast in the morning, then I go for a walk. In the afternoon, I work on my English and practice speaking. In the evening, I relax, read a book, and listen to music." Try to copy my rhythm and intonation. This helps your mouth, ears, and brain get used to English naturally. You can also practice adding your own sentences. "I like cooking pasta for dinner." "I enjoy listening to music while I clean the house." "I talk with my friends in English every day." Remember, the key is daily practice. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day will make a big difference over time. And that's it for today's episode of Twin Talk English Podcast. I hope you enjoyed making everyday English easy. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about speaking naturally, slowly, and confidently. Practice describing your day, using small phrases, and shadowing English every day. Soon you'll notice how much easier it becomes to think and speak in English. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Twin Talk English for more engaging lessons. I'm Sophia, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing.